Hey, it's that time of day again? I don't know. Why are we still doing these? I don't want to do them. Okay, we're gonna spin. Here we go. La 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 la. What do we got? 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 Oh my God, we got motor oil. Who thinks of this shit, man? When was the last time you drank motor oil? This is a shaken cocktail, and we're gonna start with an ounce of JÄGERMEISTer. Now, you know, JÄGERMEISTer actually literally in German translates to Master Hunter. I'm hunting for some motor oil. 1 ounce. I guess that's the dark aspect of this drink. All right. 1/2 ounce of Peppermint Schnapps. Oh my God. We got some GOLDSCHLÄGER. Yeah, all those little gold flecks floating around in there. That's pretty sweet. Not sure it's nice with this drink, but let's do it. 1/2 ounce. And the final topper is coconut rum. 1/2 ounce. All right, let's pop some ice in this puppy. And shake it like, I'm not sure. Shake it like motor oil. It's really thick. Oh, their engine is so thick. All right, good enough. We need a glass. I'm thinking this one. That looks pretty good, eh? And we're just gonna strain this out. Oy vey. Ooh yeah, motor oil. Oh, it looks like a little big to be banging it back. Well, it's a weird combination. That's all I'm gonna say. Let's do it. Man, that's weird. That's really weird. The peppermint and the GOLDSCHLÄGER seem to just take over this drink for some weird reason. The Jaeger is like, I don't know what happened to the Jaeger. It's these guys that I'm tasting. I wonder if it would work if you put it in your engine of your car. It might, if you're in dire need. It's not a bad drink, not my kind of drink. Until again. I'm full of motor oil. Spin it. See you later. It's not bad, not great. I've had worse. That wasn't fun. Thanks for watching. Check out some more BarTalk and Cocktails. See you next time.